if you're experiencing matchmaking errors in EAFC 25, particularly error 2025, there are several steps you can take to potentially resolve the issue and speed up your matchmaking process. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close EAFC 25 completely and restart it. This can refresh your connection to the service and may resolve temporary glitches causing the matchmaking error. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 4. Clear cache. If you're playing on a console, clear the cache of your device. This can help eliminate any corrupted data that might be affecting the game's performance. Step 5. Update game and console. Ensure that both the EAFC 25 and your gaming console are updated to the latest versions. Updates often include fixes for known issues, including matchmaking errors. By following these steps, you should be able to address the matchmaking error and enhance your gaming experience. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.